Echoes of Osu, timeless walls.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you're watching this video. This is Culture Connect, and as you can see, we are standing right in front of the Osu Castle. We are going to review the histories and mysteries that is associated with this castle. So stick it with us.
Yeah, so beginning, we were ushered into one of the dungeons that are in the castle, and here slaves were kept until they were transported to their various destinations. Here you could see that they have limited lights, limited ventilation. They are ushering in, so they can stay with us. Yes. So the tiny square you are seeing up there was their source of light, which was later covered.
And then for this side, they had their source of ventilation, which is the window over there. And then unfortunately, their source of light got covered when the Portuguese came and they built the chapel.
Yeah, so we went up these stairs to our next destination. Yeah, you see Francis on here, Albert on the top, and Celestina too. And this is the view from the top of the staircase downwards, taking a look at the courtyard. And this view, man, the first time you see this, it's so beautiful and so good. See everybody taking pictures. It's so beautiful.
So he also came in 1977. They used the same space as this one. So in history, we have Queen Elizabeth II and King Charles using the bed frame, the lamp, and the wardrobe in that scene.
Yeah, so we left this side and then we are heading to our next destination, and bro, the views. Yeah, so we can see that the castle was built with limestones. These are the materials used to build the entire castle. Yeah.
So the Portuguese were here for 4 years. They realized the trade wasn't successful, so they resold the castle to the Danes. So that's how the Danes came back and occupied the castle. So the Danes were back from 1680 to 1690, so for 10 years. And then within those years, they reversed the name from St. Francis. They were back to the castle.
So over here we can see the actual desk former President Jerry John Rawlings used, like the actual stuff he used during his tenure over here. This is amazing.
Loretta is over here.
See Loretta there, there's some princess. We'll be headed to the spiral walkway here. They used this to count the slaves that are finally leaving the castle for their destinations. So one person per time. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. And we go all the way and come out of the door of no return, now the door of return. Yeah. So this is the path that they used when they left the castle. And this is the door of no return, now the door of return, featuring Lawrence and Loretta. So So right here is the garden of the Osu Castle, a very big garden where you can find all species of trees and a whole lot more. You can come here for relaxation, and all of that. So we have come to the end of this video. We thank you for sticking with us this far. Please keep liking, subscribing, commenting. Bye.